Good afternoon. Today we're going to cover a simple strategy on how to identify trapped traders and take advantage of a move using order flow and BYDFI exchange. So first things first, you want to head over to the description of one of my videos and click on this link. And you want to sign up for this exchange, which is an amazing exchange. But we're going to use the order flow for this exchange as well, and deposit $500 or $1,000 to get this bonus so you can trade with it. In front of us we have Bitcoin. We're looking at this on a 1 hour time frame. We're going to flip this over to a 5-minute time frame because this is for day trading, and we're going to have a look at the market structure itself. So as we can see, we can't see much that's going to identify whether we should go long or short, because the candles do not show us this information. We do have support and resistance, and we do have a VWAP strategy which works very well, but we're at 113.416, and we want to know, should we go long or should we go short? So right now we have the order flow for BTC, and we can see, I'll make this bigger, that we do have short positions being built up in this zone, but in this zone and this zone, and we can see that every time you're trying to short into a buy zone, we're getting more buyers stepping in, or the market maker pushing the price back up. So that's a good validation for a long entry, and your target is going to be the VWAP, and the next target will be the value area high, which is sitting at 114.348, and these imbalances here and this target here are 114. And if it does get above this target, you take profit and put your stop loss to the entry position. Now, where else have we seen this before? Well, we've seen this many times. We can see it over here. We come back here, we have a box here, which is a buy zone box that comes up on Excel charts, and we can see there were shorts, and we can see aggressive shorts were opening here, and the price just lifted back up, and we can see that was a very good trade. Let's have another look at where this happens. So let's just get this, go to maybe a week ago or somewhere. Okay, here's a good example as well. Perfect example. It's a very easy strategy to follow, very profitable strategy if you've got the right tools and the right knowledge. So we can see over here that shorts were being built up as well. We had shorts, and market maker stepped in and pushed the price back up. A second attempt happened here, pushed the price back up. This is why order flow is very important. See, those are 3 long positions, scalp day trade positions, which you want to target into the VWAP. So this is how you make money on a daily basis on any asset. You can see now that we tapped into the VWAP and we're testing it again, and we have just squeezed out those those late shorters as described earlier on. So this strategy works very well. This is where I've taken profit now. So yeah, when you combine this with the other VWAP strategy that's on my YouTube channel, you have a good strategy that works probably on a daily basis. We can see that from these results here, lots of beautiful results from a simple strategy on spotting trapped traders. So they went short too late, and market maker pushed the price back up to liquidate them. Easy strategy. Now, if you do want a deeper analysis on this strategy and you want a good exchange to trade on and a deposit bonus, you have another 2 days to get this offer on BYDFI. Once you've got that, provide me a UID, and we do give a free Excel charts tutorial, so you can use the strategy in this exchange and profit like me every single day. Have a great day, guys.